Okay, so this is an extremely impromptu video about how I set up a new project. So my kit is kind of everywhere in pieces, and this angle is like super weird so that you can see, but I'm gonna go and get my kit right now and keep going on. So, what I am going to start is the whale pattern by Forest Embroidery. They are a Russian designer company who kits up everything. It normally comes in a nice box, and it comes with the fabric, the floss already, the pattern, and a nice needle minder and a needle attached to the minder. So let me see. But since I received this in San Antonio, it's easier for me to take everything out. So this is the sticker that was on the outside of the box. I placed it just on a blank piece of paper and put it into a, what are these called? Page protector. So into a nice page protector, and I put it in here, into these little bags that you can get on Amazon. I'll put the little link down below. And so in her box comes an instruction, little kit that I think is in Russian and in English, teaches you how to cross stitch for a beginner. It has some really good design, or not designs, but like example photos, and the instructions, both in English and what appears to be Russian. Here is the little needle minder that it came with. It's a little ship, see? But I think I'm going to use, this acrylic one by ClaybyKim. And it had a needle, so you have a needle there too. Okay, so first thing I do is I take the pattern, so quick pattern, and you are going to find on patterns, there's going to be a little arrow on the top and on the side. So what I do is I'm going to find the top and the side and check and see where they meet. I'm trying to cover the pattern as much as possible. The Owl Forest does an excellent job of locating what the middle is. So I am a middle starter. So this is the fabric that came in the kit, and originally it was folded like this when it came into the box. So it looks like to me like a 32 count linen. So when you get real close, you see that linen is a little different than like an Aida. So here you have like a really good comparison of linen versus Aida. So this is an 18 count Aida, and this is a 32 count linen. Okay, so I unfolded the fabric, the linen. Gazpacho wants to get in on this. And what I do is I fold it in half and I finger press it. And then I open it up. I fold it the other way, finger press it. So the design looks like this, so I know that it's going to be in landscape. And you'll get a nice little cross right in the middle. So from there, I need to match the symbols. So Owl Forest gives you their like proprietary floss. It doesn't have any DMC conversions. It doesn't look like, at least for the kit, for the whale kit. So to recreate would be near impossible. Anyway, so they put it on these really cool little paper bobbins. This is a bobbin, and the floss is on there, and you can see the symbol. So the symbol for the middle is a V. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a V. Which means, so V came with this. It's like a nice hand-dyed gray. I'm unwinding it and trying to figure out Oh, nice. Okay. There. I think it's like the center. I just need to find an end. Found an end. So what I'm going to do is I am going to bobbinate it. So I'll take the paper bobbin, and then I just put the floss on there, and I just start winding. And so the little tail end is in the middle, and then I just go over it. So this is going to make my life easier, but I bobbinate as I go through the colors. So when I kit up a new project, I don't bobbinate all of my thread right away, my floss. What I do is, I had a little knot. I will work on a floss color. So in this case, it'll be gray until I need to color change. And then when I color change, I'll bobbinate the next floss. And so by the end of the project, all of the floss is going to be used and bobbinated and organized. And so that's kind of how I make it happen. Because I don't like to waste time like kitting up a project. I want to get to stitching. Okay, so I had a knot. So this is me detangling my knot. Ouch. And hitting myself in the elbow. Okay, so now it's all bobbinated. These Owl Forest paper bobbins are really cool because you can still see the symbol. That's really super cool. Okay, so now I need my scissors. Now I need to unwind my bobbin to work with my floss. So, and I don't have like a set length. I just kind of, I've been doing this a while, so that looks good to me. Ta-da. It's about, I don't know, maybe 18 inches, so like a 36-inch long. Okay, to pull a piece of floss, you're gonna show everybody. You're gonna grab one. All right, Gazpacho, ready? And you just pull. We got one. He's gonna hold it for me. So I'm going to bobbinate the rest and leave it just hanging out. Oh, I need you to move. Thank you. So I'm gonna take the 36-inch floss and I'm going to fold it in half. Yeah, we are. There we go. I'm a thread licker. Thread the needle. I'm threading the needle. See? Okay. So it is threaded thread. Okay. Now I am going to take my fabric and locate that center. Okay. So from there, I'm going to count over 2 strands. 1, 2, go in there, flip my fabric over, pull through, and you're gonna get a little loop at the end. I'm going to stick my needle through the hoop and pull. So you have a half stitch or a 10th stitch. I'm gonna go under here, pull, oops, and then finish it off right here. There we go. So it's a couple days later and I'm editing my video, but I realized that I, one, didn't close out my video, or just kind of stopped there. So I'm checking back in. Happy Leap Day, everyone. From there, from the middle, I'll show you what I'm doing right now. So I have, like I said, it's been a little bit. So what I do here is I will start in the middle of the chart, and then I will move to the top left, and then I'll continue stitching down. In this tutorial, I started with 2/2, but I didn't really like the way that it looked. I wanted to do something more delicate and intricate. So this is 1/1, which is 1 strand of floss over 1 fiber of linen. So you can see some of the detail there, some of the shadow. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and I hope it was informative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share the video. I hope to do some more tutorials in the future. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll work on some other videos in the future. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.